everyone, my name is Lizabeth from Two Short Stories Academy, and today we are going to be making song cubes. Are you ready? Ready? Sure? Okay.
For this activity, you will need 2 cubes. I made 2 different size cubes. Alternatively, you can use 2 tissue boxes and cover it with construction paper if you'd like. Your cubes do not have to be the same size. On one of the cubes, I'm going to stick a name of a song on each side. And on the other cube, I'm going to put ways you can express the beat. At Two Short Stories Academy, we like to create activities based around our friends' interests. Some of our favorite songs are ABC, The Ants Go Marching, and Zoom Zoom Zoom, We're Going to the Moon. While I glue the names of these songs and the different ways they can express the beats of the song, let me tell you a little bit about music and the early years. Adding music into the home or classroom environment is so important to do. Music is a wonderful, powerful tool for little learners. It captures their attention and minds in a very important way. Music is also a great introduction to math for young children. The beat of a song is the basic pattern that underlies it. Helping children feel the beat and respond can help them to think about patterns and rhythms. Also, moving to the beat helps develop gross motor skills and control over body movements. Music is a great teaching tool, and song cubes are a great tool to have at hand. You can easily customize the tool based on the type of season, holiday, or only your child's interests. Now that I've finished gluing on all the labels, I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to teach you how to play the game. Now, with my 2 cubes, I'm going to roll it, shuffle it, and then throw it. And then let's see what I have to do now. I have to tap my legs with my hands if you're happy and you know it. Now let's go again, see what else I get. I have to hum if you're happy and you know it. And then you just keep going. Let's roll one more time and see what I get. I have to stomp my feet to the wheels on the bus. And that's it. Thank you for carrying out this activity with me. Remember to choose songs that your child likes or your classroom likes, as these songs are personalized towards my students at Two Short Stories Academy. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. This really helps us out. You can also follow us on Instagram at Two Short Stories for more content.